the second thing you want to do, like with selling anything, the more eyeballs that you get on that product or that house or whatever it happens to be, the better chance that you're going to have to sell it, right? So the thing that you want to do here, number two, to sell a house as quickly as possible is market it everywhere, right? So this isn't just, going on Zillow and Trulia and sites like that and posting it yourself. That's a great start. You could certainly do that if you're selling the house yourself, but you also want to get it out there in front of everybody in every possible marketing channel that you can think of. So that's things like online classifieds. You can even do like an old school newspaper classified, or the site for classifieds for those newspapers online. Cleveland.com has a great one if you guys are going to try to sell it in Cleveland. The other ones are social media. So, go in there, take some pictures of the house, take a lot of damn detailed pictures, take a video, do a walkthrough, get all of those things combined, create a nice little package for it, and post that thing everywhere that you can possibly think of. And I'm not just talking about Facebook. I'm not just talking about, YouTube. You got to use all the channels. Instagram, if you have some really nice pictures of your house, you want to get them up there. Anywhere that you can possibly think of, get those things on there and get eyeballs on it. So the key takeaway here is pretty much anything that you could possibly think of to get the house out there and make people aware that it's for sale. You certainly want to do that. And another great way to do that is to actually go out and talk to people, right? So everyone that you talk to, just make sure that they know that you're selling your house, right? Go around your neighborhood, knock on the doors, literally knock on the doors and tell your neighbors that you're selling your house. And what that can do is, if they have a family member or a friend that's been looking to get into that neighborhood, that opens the door for them to go out and tell their friend that there's a house, that's for sale here if they want to move in. So definitely, go out there every possible way that you can, get that house recognized, whether it's digital, whether it's a sign in front of the house, whether it's in a newspaper, if those things even exist, whether it's digitally, social media, however you need to get it out there, definitely get it out there, because again, the more eyeballs that you have on that house, the better chance you're going to have to sell it. So again, key takeaway number two, if you're trying to sell a house as quickly as humanly possible, you want to make sure that you market that thing everywhere. Get as much eyes on it and possibly as you possibly can. Get it out there, make sure that everyone knows it's for sale, even people that you don't know, people that you do know, your neighbors, your friends, your family, and everyone that could possibly see it on social channels and digital channels, etc.